Good morning and welcome back to the classes. In the last few classes we were discussing about the metallic minerals, and yesterday we have learned about the iron ore. What is iron ore? What are the importance of iron ore? The different iron ores on the basis of percentage of iron, different uses of iron ore, the distribution of iron ore in India, and the distribution of iron ore in the world, etc. we have learned yesterday. And today we will study about the manganese. Let us study in detail about manganese. India is the third largest producer of manganese in the world. Its different uses are: it is the most important mineral for the production of iron and steel. It is an important mineral for the iron and steel industries. For about 9 kg of manganese is needed for the production of 1 ton of iron and steel. It is also used for the manufacturing of bleaching powder, insecticides, dry batteries, and China clay. It is used as an alloy to reduce the brittleness of iron and steel and to increase the strength. About 30% of the manganese is used during the refinement process of iron ore, and the remaining 70% is used as an alloy for the production of steel. Manganese makes steel strong and removes the impurities and makes it more resistant against the rusting. Another important use of manganese is creating an alloy with aluminium to produce a metal which is resistant to corrosion. Manganese is also used for the manufacturing of ferromanganese, silicomanganese, chrome manganese. It is also used for the preparation of organic and inorganic chemicals. It is used in paints, pigments, and ceramics. Now let us study about the distribution of manganese in India. Manganese is available at different states of India. The states are Madhya Pradesh, Odisha, Karnataka, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, and Rajasthan. Odisha is the leading producer of manganese in India. It is available at different districts of Odisha. Karnataka is the second largest producer of manganese in India. It is also available at different districts and cities of Karnataka. In Maharashtra, the manganese reserves are found in the belts of Nagpur, Bandara, and Ratnagiri districts. The manganese which is available in Maharashtra is the best quality or high quality, and so it has great demand. In Madhya Pradesh, the manganese reserves are found in Chhindwara and Balakhat districts. Other states where manganese is found are Andhra Pradesh and Jharkhand. Now let us study about the distribution of manganese in the world. The largest producer of manganese in the world is South Africa. Other manganese producing countries are China, Australia, Brazil and Malaysia. That is the end of today's class. Thank you very much.